Welcome to this video on Surah Anbiya, the Prophets, a chain of divine light, based on the insights of Tafheem al-Quran by Maulana Maududi. Surah Anbiya was revealed during the tension-filled Middle Meccan period. Its tone is that of a challenger, delivering a final warning to those mocking the truth. The objective is to issue a reprimand and warning, or zajr wa tawbik. The core issue is the flaw of ghafla, or life as amusement. The opponent's inconsistency in labeling the prophet stems from viewing life as a game without consequence, driven by a denial of accountability. The necessity of the human messenger is clear. While the Quraysh objected, arguing an angel should have been sent, the divine logic dictates that an angel cannot be a role model for human life. Only a human can guide a human. The universe was created with haqq. It is not a toy. The argument is that the heavens and earth were created in truth, not for play. This complex system proves a master and a purpose, which implies accountability. The logic of oneness, or tawheed, is demonstrated by the cosmos. The rational proof shows that multiple gods would lead to chaos. The unified, systematic function of the universe provides undeniable evidence of the unity of Allah. The concept of the mercy of delay addresses the skeptic's mockery regarding the punishment. Allah's timetable is not based on human impatience. The delay is a respite, an opportunity to reflect and return, but the verdict is that the warnings are real and not eternal. The Brotherhood of Prophets highlights the continuity of a single narrative, featuring prophets like Nuh, Ibrahim, Musa, Isa, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Their message was one: Islam, submission to the Creator. The differences in religions are man-made deviations. The struggle of the chosen reminds us that the prophets possessed no divinity. They faced trials, illness, and exile, begging Allah for aid. They were tested to prove their humanity and rescued to prove Allah's power. The inheritance of the earth is promised to the righteous, those who follow the guidance. Salvation is not for the arrogant. Those who reject the truth are engineering their own downfall. The future belongs to those who align with the divine order. The Prophet is Rahmatan al-Alameen, a mercy to the worlds. While the Quraysh saw him as a burden, he is the alarm that wakes the sleeper before the fire. To accept him is the path to success. To reject him is to reject safety. The final decree summarizes the argument. Tawheed proves the one Creator. Accountability confirms life as a test, and prophethood establishes the necessity of a human guide. The message has been delivered. The choice rests with the soul that hears it.